Hi, I'm James the Light Guy, and today we're starting a two-part mini-series on these lights. My friend got a set of lights for his vehicle, and they are LED retrofit upgrades. We open them up, we can see it's a 4-piece set with the new low beam, high beam assemblies and fog lights. Let's take this out of the way. And today's episode is going to focus only on the fog lights. So we'll take one of those out and put the rest of this away. This light set is unbranded and considered to be a universal fit with the 7-inch main headlight assemblies and these universal fog lights with a standardized bracket. But for the power cord, they give you what looks like a normal HID type adapter plug with just bare wires. These ones have been tinned and they are in a fairly thick silicone sleeve. So although they don't have the nylon braid for protection, they do seem to be fairly durable. And as far as harnesses go, that's not bad. I would have liked to see a little bit more on this side of the connector, but I mean, I'll put a listing for these in the description below. The entire set was under $80, so I was actually remarkably surprised with the quality of the build as is. You see we have an adjustment aim screw with spring tension and a really large heat sink on the back of this fog light. Taking a closer look at the inside, we can see that there are 3 sets of 2 chips. These are listed as being 30 watt, and actually if we put it the right side up with the DOT up, you can see there's no visibility of the chips when you're up high, but once you reach the cutoff, they're suddenly yellow for the chips, and it goes all the way down to the ground. So these have a decent cutoff line based purely off of that. They are listed as being 30 watts, so we'll see if those are 6 5-watt chips or not. Let's grab our power supply and see what we get. Alright, we've hooked them up nice and easy. We'll turn it on, and at 14.4 volts, you can see we're drawing 1.6 amps, which is about 25-ish watts. So that's not bad. We're a bit shy of the 30, but as you can see, the beam pattern on this, that sharp cutoff line is fantastic. And even if we try and stretch this across my studio here, the light is very bright. Pulling it way back and off to the side, you can see it does a great job illuminating the foreground, which is precisely what fog lights are supposed to do. And there's that cutoff from high up. It won't be blinding, but then once you get down to the cutoff line, it is super bright. Now, I did mention that I'm going to make this a bit of a mini series. We're going to focus, or we spent this video focusing on the fog lights. The next video will be the main headlight assemblies, and if I'm feeling up to it, we'll see if I do a video for the full install in the vehicle and maybe some after photos. As far as warmth, the heat sink is doing its job. It's starting to pull some of the heat away from those chips and is getting above ambient temperature. This plastic lens is cool to the touch, but you can feel heat from the light source itself. So being unbranded, I'm actually really surprised by the build quality here, and I can't wait to see how they hold up in the vehicle itself. That's all I have for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and remember to do all the things: like, share, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and visit the Patreon page. Until next time, I'm James the Light Guy.